G'day mate, this is Chris from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Today I'm doing the silicone of this bathroom. This is, it's taken me 5.5 days from start to finish, from waterproof to now I'm doing the silicone in 5.5 days. So it's gone well, this bathroom. Just turn the camera around a little bit. We've gone across the top there, which always looks cool. These shutters, I reckon, are absolute neato. It's not very often a bath is in. They're usually a freestanding bath, but this is a spa. The lady of the house wanted a spa, so it's all cool. So lean in and I'll show you some more silicone. Don't forget to subscribe. To my channel. Give us a thumbs up. I'll tell you what I haven't got, and that's my pedal pop sticks. Okay, that's the little sucker I went out for, the pedal pop stick. Right, let's go. Have you leaned in? Because we're off. Nice silicone makes a nice tile job. It's always good doing the finishing touches to a job. It's neat. That niche has come out neat, like the owner's tickled pink with that. The old penny round. I've shown everyone how I did that. If you want to go back in a couple of videos back. Pedal pop stick just gives you the nice roundness. It's beautiful. When you have a little bit on the side like that, see that? You just change the angle of your stick. Whooshka! Whoop. Right, so we go down, hit the bottom, hang a right. Ooh. Hear that?
I need to just touch that up a tad. I don't know how that happened, but I'll just squeeze a bit in there. I'm always out to make a nice corner. You can't beat a nice corner. It's so easy doing this silicone because it's a smooth tile. Oh, cup of tea. Ah, beauty. Right, that's not quite right up the top there, so we'll just fix that. Once you've done silicone a few times and you're not scared of doing it, you're home and hose. People get scared to do silicone. I don't know why, but you've got to have confidence. You can do anything you want. You've got your soapy water. It doesn't matter if you get the silicone everywhere. Doesn't matter. It all just comes off with a pedal pop stick. Easy. And a soapy water. But don't be scared. You can do anything you want. You DIYers, feel the fear and do it anyway. Just do it. Oh. Just a bit. When you subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up. Woo-hoo. Write a comment. I'll try and get back to you. Everyone. Any questions you have, ask. If you're not sure of anything, ask. Ask me. I'd love to hear from you. It's always a little bit tricky because I haven't got a smooth surface. Any questions, just ask.
Who likes singing as they work? I quite enjoy it. I can't really sing to save myself, but I still enjoy it. I've been a tiler for 35 years. I love it, and if I can teach more people what I know, cool. So don't forget, if you have any question, just put it out there. See how I'm doing this now? I was actually going too fast along there. I'll come back to that in a minute. I was actually going too fast. It's better if you do this silicone on penny rounds